Hello, everyone. I'm Commissioner Dr. James. I want to go over a brand new software that I created, I invented, called Q.I.T. Stands for Quantum Influent Technology. You're going to love what I got to say. It's an analyst engine, right? You're going to be able, imagine being able to enter your customer data and analysis for their social media and life behaviors. Imagine that, right? Imagine being able to do that. So once you put this stuff in, you'll be able to not only put in what you know about the customer, you'll be able to put in their website if they have a business, but you'll be able to also put in your website so you can get, likelihood of the customer spending money on your services or items, right? But let me tell you something. It does something that normally the big companies have access to something similar, like Walmart, Amazon, McDonald's, Apple. They have access to certain things as customer prediction. That's why they make so much money. Never before has a small business had access to this type of stuff until now. I've created this engine to allow you to put in your customer, their name, anything that you know about them, their social media handles, likelihoods of stuff, habits, anything that you know. If you don't know nothing, you put in their social media, it'll get everything needed. But you also put in your website for your business, and it will give you the likelihood, the prediction of if they would spend, what's the likelihood of them spending money with you. What does it analyze? It gives them 21 lenses, meaning it will look through a lens of branding, quantum influence, metaphysics, neuromarketing, neuroeconomics, persuasion science, emotional branding, cognitive psychology, quantum entanglement, physics of behavior, cognitive behaviors, marketing, influence psychology, biology, neuroscience, laws of attraction, sensory marketing, neuroplasticity, consumer neuroscience, quantum cognition, and behavioral finance. Those are the 21 lenses that it will see through. It will give you a summary of each one. Then it will combine each one into one summary. Then it will give you sales techniques to talk to the customer, what you should say, what you should do. Can you use your own mind to do some of those things if you want to? But it will definitely give you in-depth analysis on what you should say or sell, do with this customer, what the strategy should be for this customer. It will give you all of that. Never before has this been done for a small business. Now we have this opportunity. Now we have the access. You use this to get every information that you can to understand your customer better. That way you'll be able to not only understand what they want, especially from you, but to predict their behavior toward what you have in your services and your items. Again, never before done. Plus, not only being able to get this revolutionary cutting edge software, but you're also being a part of the SBN by using this software. You'll get a chance to get an awesome gift, a sign-on gift for being a part of this. But more importantly, you'll be able to use that same gift or gifting toward customers that doesn't cost you a penny. Not a penny, meaning just because you're a part of us, because by using this software, you'll be a part of the SBN. You'll be able to get a gift by me saying thank you, but you'll be able to give that same gift to every customer that spends money with you through me. It'll cost me something, won't cost you nothing, zero. And 2 out of 3 months, I will allow you to give a gift to customers just to listen to your presentation. Whatever you're selling, doing, item, service, whatever. Just by having a presentation to whatever you do, I will allow you to offer a gift to whoever shows up. Even if they don't spend a penny, I will give them a gift. It'll cost me something, cost you nothing. Let's get you started. We'll go over pricing. We can't wait.